Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're excited to give you a closer look at the much-awaited Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With its launch coming soon, there's a lot of buzz around this new flagship phone. From design changes to camera upgrades, let's break down what makes the S25 Ultra special. Design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra carries forward the familiar design language of its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, but introduces several key refinements. One of the most noticeable changes is the removal of the camera bump, a feature that gives the phone a cleaner and more streamlined appearance. This design choice enhances the sleek, minimalist aesthetic Samsung is known for. A standout improvement is the significantly thinner bezels, which are now even slimmer than those of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This change not only gives the phone a more modern and immersive look, but also maximizes the screen-to-body ratio, making the display feel larger and more engaging. The S25 Ultra also opts for flat sides instead of the curved edges seen in previous models. This design tweak improves grip, making the phone feel more secure in hand, especially during one-handed use. The slightly rounded corners further enhance comfort, ensuring the phone feels natural and ergonomic to hold for extended periods. In terms of dimensions, the S25 Ultra is both lighter and thinner than the S24 Ultra. Weighing just 219 grams, a phone feels less bulky without sacrificing durability. At only 8.2mm thick, it is the slimmest model in the S Ultra lineup, adding to its overall sleekness. These changes combine to make the S25 Ultra not only more aesthetically pleasing, but also more practical and comfortable to use daily. Camera. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera system is one of its standout features, offering significant upgrades that could rival even the iPhone. A major enhancement is the improved video recording quality, which promises clearer, more detailed footage, potentially challenging the iPhone's dominance in mobile videography. This improvement makes the S25 Ultra a great option for content creators and those who value high-quality video on the go. The most notable upgrade is the ultra-wide camera sensor, which has been increased from 12MP to a remarkable 50MP. This boost provides more detailed images and better performance in zoom and macro shots, allowing users to capture wider scenes with more clarity and precision. This also means more versatility in capturing landscapes, group photos, and close-up details, as the larger sensor can retain more information in each shot. However, the 3x telephoto lens remains at 10MP, which might disappoint those who are hoping for a higher resolution in portrait shots. Despite this, the telephoto lens still performs well, especially in zoomed-in scenarios, maintaining a good balance between quality and performance. An exciting possibility that comes with the increased megapixels on the ultra-wide camera is the potential for 8K video recording. If this feature is enabled, it will allow users to record video at an extremely high resolution, making the S25 Ultra an even more powerful tool for video creators. Overall, the S25 Ultra's camera offers a balanced and versatile system, excelling in both photography and video recording, with improvements that make it stand out in the competitive smartphone market. Other features. The S25 Ultra also comes with satellite communication similar to the Google Pixel 9, mainly for emergency use when you don't have cell service. It's also getting the new One UI 6.11, which will be available for S24 Ultra users as well, bringing a lot of new features. In short, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra offers some great improvements, from its sleek design to its upgraded camera and added features like satellite communication. We're excited to see how these changes improve the user experience. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates and reviews. Thanks for watching.